Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually configure Microsoft Teams for the first time in 2022. So let's say you are trying to use Microsoft Teams for the first time, or you've actually uninstalled and reinstalled Microsoft Teams from your device for one reason or the other. So let me say, for example, this is a Windows 11 device, and here you can see we have the Teams. Actually, there's actually chat. So when you try to open this chat, it will actually request you to use your Outlook account, your Hotmail account to actually configure Teams. But we also have the Teams which is actually installed when you install the Office 365 on your Windows device. So here I have Microsoft Teams. Let me just try to open Microsoft Teams for the first time on this device. So by opening Teams on the first time of this device, because I've actually cached in some Windows, some accounts, which of course you can see these are accounts from my domain, which are being used with my domain name. So it's actually giving me the option to actually pick an account I want to use. So I'm going to actually just select the account of Kelvin Johnson. So let's try to see, because I've already cached my credentials on this account. You can see it's loading Microsoft Teams for the first time. So let's just wait for Microsoft Teams to get loaded. You can see that Microsoft Teams just gets started without actually asking me for my password. So it says let's go. So now I'm able to actually start Microsoft Teams without actually entering my password, because I've already set up Outlook on this device, and during my setting up of Outlook, my password was actually cached on this device. And you know, your Microsoft Teams and everything is actually being synced to the cloud. So right now you can see, if I just go click on my available, you can see that's actually the account of Kelvin Johnson, and now I can start to communicate without any issues. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you have any comment, if you have any question about Microsoft Teams, please don't forget to leave a comment, because I'm actually studying to get my certificate in managing Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So I know a lot about Microsoft Teams. If you have issues how to actually configure Microsoft Teams, how to manage Microsoft Teams from your admin center, being an admin Office 365 administrator. So if you have any issues with Microsoft Teams, don't forget to send me a personal email, or you can leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Bye.